There's some videos that don't have a story, don't have characters, yet people simply can't stop watching until the very end. A giant rotating steel shredder is spinning at full speed while a car, a motorcycle, or some random object is thrown into it. Within seconds, everything is crushed into tiny pieces. These shredding videos have become surprisingly popular because they provide a strangely satisfying viewing experience. For many people, watching things being destroyed feels oddly relaxing. The interesting part is that none of these videos actually require a real industrial shredder, a factory, or even a real car or motorcycle. The entire video is generated with AI, from start to finish. Today, I'll show you exactly how to create these videos right from your home. Think of this process like following a recipe. The ingredients are simply the AI tools, and the recipe is the order in which you use them. Here's what you'll need. Claude for generating creative ideas and prompts. Google Flow for generating the final AI videos. Now let's begin. Open the Google Docs file. Just like in my previous tutorials, I've prepared a detailed master template prompt. It's a highly refined prompt that took a long time to build, and it's designed specifically for creating these cinematic shredding videos. Inside the prompt, you'll find several places labeled as topic or object. Simply replace those placeholders with whatever you want to destroy, for example, a car, motorcycle, or any other object. Make sure you replace every occurrence of the object throughout the prompt. Once you're finished, press Ctrl+A to select the entire prompt, then press Ctrl+C to copy it. Now head over to Google Flow, paste the copied prompt into the prompt box. Again, make sure you've replaced every object placeholder with the item you want to shred. Next, open the project settings, select Video Generator Mode. You can choose any aspect ratio you like, although I personally recommend using the long video ratio. Set the video output to 1 video, then choose a duration of 8 to 10 seconds. One more thing worth mentioning. If you're using the free version of Google Flow, you'll receive 50 credits per day. I'm currently using the Pro subscription, which gives me 1,000 credits every month. Once everything is ready, allow the video generator to begin processing. After a short wait, you'll see the giant rotating blades come to life as the selected object is gradually pulled into the machine and completely shredded. Now you already know how to create this type of video. To make the process even easier, let's go through it one more time. Return to the master template prompt in the Google Docs file. Press Ctrl+A to select everything. Press Ctrl+C to copy the prompt. Go back to Google Flow. Paste the prompt into the prompt box. Just like before, replace every object placeholder with whatever you'd like to destroy inside the industrial shredder or hydraulic crusher. Finally, click Generate. After a short wait, your AI shredding video will be finished. Now let's watch the final result. That's all for today's tutorial. You've now learned how to create these oddly satisfying AI shredding videos using only a few free AI tools. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next episode with another exciting AI workflow.